In this video, we will go through the compulsory algebra questions from one CXC CSEC paper 2 examination. To get the most out of this video, pause it here and attempt each part. If you are stuck on any, check the description below for the link to the video that covered that topic. Check out my playlist for comprehensive coverage of the topic algebra. Post a comment. Let me know how you are managing. Last chance to pause the video. Okay, let's go. 2a part 1. Factorize completely. 4a squared minus 16. You should notice here that we can both factorize by HCF or factorize the difference of squares. To factorize this problem completely, we will need to do both. Let me show you what I mean. Factorizing by HCF gives the HCF of 4a squared and 16 is 4. I multiply 4 by a squared to get 4a squared, and I multiply 4 by 4 to get 16. A squared minus 4 is difference of squares, and we will get a minus 2 multiplied by a plus 2. So this is the solution when you factorize completely. Conversely, we could have factorized by difference of squares first. 4a squared is a square term, that is 2a squared, and 16 is 4 squared. We would have gotten 2a subtract 4 multiplied by 2a plus 4. But 2a minus 4 can be factorized further. It can be factorized by HCF. The HCF of 2a and 4 is 2. So we get 2 multiplied by a minus 2. And similarly, 2a plus 4 can be factorized by HCF to get 2 multiplied by a plus 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, multiplied by a minus 2, multiplied by a plus 2. So either way, we'd have gotten the exact same answer. Part 2, factorizing completely. 3y squared plus 2y minus 8. When factorizing a quadratic, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give 3 by negative 8, which is negative 24, but add to positive 2. The factors of negative 24 are positive 1 and negative 24, negative 1, positive 24, positive 2, negative 12, negative 2, positive 12, positive 3, negative 8, negative 3, positive 8, positive 4, negative 6, and negative 4, positive 6. Which pair of these factors add to positive 2? The first pair adds to negative 23, positive 23, negative 10, positive 10, negative 5, positive 5, negative 2, positive 2. So we are going to replace positive 2y with negative 4y added to 6y. You would see that negative 4y added to 6y is exactly the same as positive 2y. So we get 3y squared subtract 4y plus 6y minus 8. Factorizing by grouping, the HCF of 3y squared and negative 4y is y. If we multiply y by 3y, we get 3y squared. If we multiply y by negative 4, we get negative 4y. Keeping the same thing in brackets, 3y subtract 4. 3y multiplied by positive 2 gives positive 6y, and we confirm that positive 2 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 8. It is. Now we're going to factorize by HCF. The common factor to both terms are 3y minus 4. We multiply 3y minus 4 by y to get the first term, and we multiply it by positive 2 to get the second term. And that's the solution to part 2. And the last question on algebra in this paper is a simultaneous equation. We let 2x plus y equals to 3 be equation 1. 5x minus 2y is equal to 12 is equation 2. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, but the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So instead of multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2 to eliminate x, we can just multiply equation 1 by 2 and eliminate y instead. So we'll multiply equation 1 by 2. Gives 2x by 2 is equal to 4x. Y by 2 is positive 2y. 3 by 2 is equal to 6. We call this equation 3. We have a positive 2y and we have a negative 2y, so we're going to add them to eliminate it. Add an equation 2 to equation 3. 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x. Negative 2y added to positive 2y is equal to 0. And 12 added to 6 is equal to 18. Dividing both sides by 9. The 9's cancel. To remain with x is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So we substitute x is equal to 2 in any equation to find out the value of y. We're substituting x is equal to 2 in 1. We get 2. X is 2, so we place it with 2. Plus y is equal to 3. 4 plus y is equal to 3. Removing the 4 from the left hand side, we subtract 4 from both sides. Four subtract 4 is 0, so we remain with y. 3 subtract 4 is negative 1. The answer to this simultaneous equation is x is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 1. I am Mr. Dube. If you found this video useful, please like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Join me in the next video.